Good morning, it's me Chubaki. Welcome to my vlog, guys. So today is November 2. It's All Souls Day. Yes, so right now we're here at Santander, Cebu. Yeah, it's my first time here, guys, with him. First time also niya. Actually, madami kami nandito kasi our friend na taga here is invite us. Yes, so Gora ang bakla kasi nga I never been here pa since. So I think this is an opportunity or chance na maka-visit here. So actually dumating kami dito yesterday. Yesterday pa kami dito. Then kagabi nag-camping kami dun sa may dagat, nag-anong bonfire with them. Then some of our friends is still sleepy, but we're done. Sa pag nasa probinsya ka is na they called it na mainit, coffee and bread, coffee with any kind of food na yeah, pandesal. Nice nga rin kay parang it's feel like you're in the province talaga. Literal, you're in the province, which is I miss that. See, matumbalay sa ako ang among friend nga igsoon sa iyang mama. Here is the place where we ito ang usa ka friend si Ray, di ba? This is not the highway. The highway is over there. The bus adto, di ba? Dugay gani. Di ba? I'll show. There is a bag here. I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you something there. Look, that one, as you can see. You see or not? That one. Look. Oh, it's a bag. Over here also. So, madami. Yan, look. Oh. Look, oh, there's, my God. So, like, it's itchy daw yan na. Basta, there. It's nice. Oh, the dog is cute. Wow! The cute! Sa dog! Narang maamong friend, tagiya sa house, nagbike. Over there. Namong friend. Nana Arbor. Magjowa man na sila. They are partner. Honas na? Dili pa?
Udto pa. Mga unsor.
Yeah, we're kind of bored there. So we decided na mag-walking over there. Mag-walking. Kaya boring man dito. Magsige lang kaupo. Yeah, there. Mag-walk ng doon there. Yeah, we're gonna go over there. Okay. Diba? Tada! By the way, his name is Jay from Bourbon. Ano siya? Professor siya sa UC. Hi, Bin. We're walking lang there. We will try kung ano meron doon. There. Yeah. There's a kanding. Look. Charot. It's not candy. It's moo. Ay, katong ko sa interview. This mango. There on. I don't know. We don't know kung saan na to papunta. Wow, nice guys.
Walking ba ya?
Nice yung kuan guys. Kasi makarelate ana. Sino makaka-relate? Yung dahon ng
Kritik
kaimito.
ang model.
Kaya na pants.
Ako
Aw,
Walang nila.
nalas. Sakit sa tuhod.
Ha?
Sakit sa tuhod.
Kaya kaunan pag mong gusto siya.
Masakit yung tuhod ko. Putya. Nice kayo ang view. Nice ka. Guys, it's so nice. Promise. Oh, there. Dagat. Guys, so nice. Dagat na siya. Oh. Nalang ni siya. Gato. Pero nice, promise. Napadito, oh. We try. Oh my God. Nice. Actually, nami Santander nga na area daw kay Negros. There. Over there. So nice siya. Ay, mayabas ang bayot. Paningkamot dam. That's the best thing. Yeah, look. We're kind of bored man guys. So nag-walking me. Namin nakita na mga property lot there. So wala may nakabutan na no trespassing.
Ang so what?
Nitry migsud. Nangita mig bayabas. Kaya na may bunga. Aw na kuan ba ka ng punuan. But sadly walay bunga. Nara ang bayot diba? Naawa. Wala man na dam oy.
Wala gid siya guys.
Walay bunga.
Walay bayabas.
Why bunga lagi? It's in later. Pero nice ba ya there? Look there. I can't. Ito sila dito guys. Over there. Sa duha. Look, there's a sound of motor. That is.
Sige, maghupas ako pants. Mabay ni Flip.
Atay mga. Diba? Diapas ni. Why mga batas? Reject guys. Diba? As in. Yeah.
Bebe.
Balik. Yawa.
Mga bayot.
Mga bayit.